In this very quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim excess pixels in Photoshop. So here I have a character. I have a lot of extra space to the left and right of him with nothing there. And when I export him out, I want it to be optimized so it's just him, no extra space. How do you do it? Well, you're going to go up to your image menu, hit that, go down to trim. You'll get a pop-up. Here you want transparent pixels selected and all top, bottom, right, and left. Hit OK. And there it is. It's trimmed my entire canvas, my entire workspace here. And that's perfect. That's what I want. So now I'm ready to export. File, export. And I only do this before I export as a note because it changes the entire canvas size. And I've now got this perfectly sized image to work on. I hope that this helped you guys. If it did, please give me a like and check out my playlist in Photoshop for more. Thanks.